Peace, class. It's in the guys in the wave. I woke up early to morning, and today we're here to get straight to the topic. Alright. Zen the wave, Zen the God, Zen the King. You already know all that good stuff. Let's get straight to the topic, class. Pardon me, I'm in my house, so I don't want to yell when you. I love y'all. This is Zen 101. That'll be my next dossier, Zen 101. But for now, we're on my dossier, same as the last video, Universal Astronomy and Astrological Consciousness. But today we'll be talking about the universe's body. Universal body. In layman's term, energy, darkness, and light. That is the mind, body, and spirit of the universe itself. Just how us humans have a mind, body, and spirit, the universe's mind, body, and spirit is energy, lightness, and dark. The spirit is the darkness, the primordial state, the nothingness, the I am, the forever. The light is the mentalism. The light is the perception. The lights of the universe are the eyes. It's what allows the universe to perceive something, to create something to a different form. Now, the body is the energy. What is the body? The energy. So once the light, the perception has gave view to something, now the energy can be morphed and can be telegraphed into things such as marker, pick, a sock, a jar. So, the universe's mind is light. Light is mentalism. Light is perception. Light is thoughts. Light is consciousness. That's the universe's consciousness. The light helps us see. When you're conscious, you're aware. That's what light is. And now, the spirit is the nothingness. It's the intuition. It's the primordial state of darkness. It's where you get the ideas from. It's where you get the ding. Wait, you know when that light bulb just popped like ding? Then you get an idea like, whoa. Where did I get this good idea from? You got it from the darkness. You got it from the spiritual primordial state. What exactly is the darkness? It's the spiritual ether. It's the things in between the stars. When you look in between the stars, you see this darkness. That's the universe's spirit. Family, you are blessed with the opportunity to look at the spirit of the universe itself. Darkness is the true light. Darkness is the creation. Light came from the darkness. So therefore, darkness is the true light. It came from the darkness. Therefore, that's the true light. Alright? Now, the body of the universe is the energy. What is energy? Energy is expression of the soul. What do you mean expression of the soul? The spirit is the darkness. The soul is the light, the consciousness. The energy is what the soul decides to express. So the soul gets the spiritual power from the darkness. The soul gets the ding, the light bulb, the intuition, the ideas from the primordial darkness of creation. It gathers that darkness, then it shines light and uses the ideas, the intuition from the darkness. Then it decides to express all of that into a physical existence. And so when it expresses and pushes out, it produces energy. Well, you can't produce energy, or you can't lose energy. You can't make any new energy, and you can't lose any new energy. So the energy that's already there with the consciousness it has and the lessons it learned and the intuition it pulled in from the darkness, it starts to telegraph and form the light consciousness into structure. And these things that are structured start to become the body of the universe, because the spirit told the soul to create the physical form of us. The spirit wanted a physical existence, so it made the soul, which is the middle way. The soul sits in the middle Then the soul decided to create and physically express. Therefore, planets, stars, constellations, moons, galaxies, these are all energy. This is the physical body of the universe. I'm talking about the universe as a whole, as a person. So its body parts would be the sun, the moon, the stars. These are the eyes, the legs. Its soul would be the light. And its spirit would be the darkness. So now, how does this relate to us? You got to understand, I was talking to my homeboy Brazy yesterday. Everything is forever refracting off itself. Everything is only a livid image of where it came from. A spitting image of where it came from. For example, I am a human. I am the sun to the earth. Well, I'm an earth myself. The cells are sun to me. The cells are earth itself. The mitochondria in the cell is a sun to the cell. So everything is just deeper rabbit holes. Then when you expand, the earth is a sun to the star, which is the sun. Then the sun is a sun to the galaxy. Then the galaxy is a sun to the galactical system. So, it's like everything is boom. So now, the energy, light, and darkness, when it finally hit the physical form, and when it hit the human form, it was translated into the mind, the body, and the spirit. That's why the number 3 is important. And that's why this Holy Trinity is important. We are literally many universes. We have a spirit, the primordial darkness, the creation, the nothingness. We have a mind, the light. Right when you're getting a good idea in cartoons, ding, the light goes off. They understand that's the consciousness. I'm telling you the cold, hard truth. This is true. Use it. Right? Think in cartoons, ding, that light goes off. They're trying to tell you that's the consciousness. They're trying to tell you that's the awareness. Then your body, what does this do? Physically expresses what the soul is feeding to it. So the soul pulls from the black nothingness, which is the spirit, the inner verse. Then the soul expresses what it receives from the spirit by using what? The body. So really all the body does is just express something that can't be expressed with words. That's why it's impossible for us humans to fucking crack the code on what's going on planet Earth. Because we're trying to use words to explain something that is indescribable. For example, planet Earth wasn't calling itself Earth. You feel me? Planet Earth wasn't calling itself Earth, family. Egypt didn't even refer to themselves as Egypt. Now you see where we can get a lot of miscommunication and a lot of motherfucking misclarity and a lot of controversy and a lot of problems. Is because we have no organization when it comes to how we want to describe our physical environment. We're using physical words to describe things that have no real definition. We're using physical words to describe external stimuli that has no physical meanings. A dog don't call itself a dog. A cat don't call itself a cat. Alright? When a dog makes a noise, we say that's a bark, right? But a dog doesn't call that a bark. For example, look at this bike. We call that a bike. A bike don't call itself a bike. There's not even real words to describe what this is. I can call this a motherfucking shoe. Shit, I call this a shoe. Alright? Now here's how I'm about to fuck with you. Here's how words we getting a little off the topic, but I'm just gonna show y'all. Here's how words mess with us. For example, hold up real quick, family. This is a basket, right? What does a basket do? It holds things, right? You see? Boom, that's a basket, right? I just held it. So technically, the definition for a basket will be to hold something, right? Now look how I'm about to fuck with y'all. This is a hat, right? Put it on my head. Now what is this doing? It's holding something. Why isn't this hat called a basket? Because of the English language. So that's how tricky the English language is. That's why I move around the English language. You feel me? Like, rather than just using words and, really giving them definition, I would rather want to move around the English language. You feel me, family? So right now I'm just preaching to y'all because the video's over and I got the main part out there. I'm just taking my vitamins. When I wake up, I take milk, thistle, liver detox, good for the mind, body, soul, and the spirit. And I take my vitamin D pills. So, I hope y'all got the point of the lesson today, class. I love all my classmates. But yeah, we are a universal refraction of the universe itself. So y'all are literally like mini universes walking around out here, and people have no type of solid standing on the importance of what they represent. Gosh, do you people know who you are? Do you people know who you are? That's why I'm so inspired to preach this to y'all every day. Some people say it's like preaching to the choir. Well, shit. Ain't nothing new under the sun, but under the moon, I can show you where to find the information you need. Ain't nothing new under the sun, but under the moon, I can help you find what you was looking for. I bet you that. Zen the God, Zen the wave, energy, light, and darkness, and the universal trinity. Fucking happy. Like, whoa.